Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram AI editor to fix your text. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application. Then simply go ahead and head to any chat you want to go ahead and use the Telegram AI text. Now, what you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on the message field, and on the message field, you want to have at least 3 lines of messages. So just like that. And as you can see on the top right of your message, a little AI icon is going to pop up. Simply go ahead and tap on that. And this is where you can do a multiple different things. The first thing you can do is translate your into different languages. You can simply go ahead and choose styles. So like formal, short, tribal, corp, biblical, Vikings, and many more. And you can also fix if it is wrong right over here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.